guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be picking up some paint supplies to try and paint those fenders. I'm not sure if I have to order the paint or they'll be able to make it today, so hopefully they will be able to, so we can get this going. So we'll see you at the shop. Alright, so we just got CHC paint right over there. I don't know if you can see it, but the guys really helped me out on getting some of the stuff I needed my first time painting, so I literally had no idea what to get, but we just got the stuff. It's in the trunk, so we'll head back to the shop and set these things up to get painted. Alright, so I just got back from CHC, got all the supplies here, and we're gonna start on the fenders here, get them lined up, get a little grease remover on them, and start putting a base coat on this. Alright, so we just got done spraying down the primer. I still got one more coat to go, but it's looking pretty clean. No drips, no trash in it as of yet, but we'll get the primer sprayed down, sand it down again, and throw some of the sapphire blue on there. Hopefully everything matches up with the paint on the car. I'm going to try and blend it a little bit because I'm going to paint the front fenders as well, not just the over fenders, so we'll see how that goes. Alright, so it's day 2 now. Just went and picked up some more reducer, some more sandpaper, and some microfibers to clean the stuff off, because I ended up doing the primer and hardener with no reducer. Totally forgot to put that in there. So today I think we're going to mix in some reducer and spray again, and of course do some sanding before, so we'll get right to that. Alright, so we're back at the shop now a couple hours later. Had to pick up the reducer, got the paint here. I think it's sapphire blue, or blue sapphire. But we got the fenders all primed up here. I think we're gonna hit it with the 800 grit, sand it down, scuff it up, and then we'll get the first coat on here and we'll get going on that. All right, so got the fender set up here. Got the 800 grit, we're gonna get at this, see how it goes. So after some time sanding here, I still gotta clean them off, but got them all roughed up. I'm gonna take the scuff pad to them after I clean them, blow them off with the air hose, and we'll mix some paint and get this stuff on here. All right, so look at that blue. I don't know if you can see on there, but we got some nice flake, just a little bit sapphire blue. So we're gonna mix 50-50 with the reducer, and we'll see how that goes. First time doing it, so I'm a little nervous, but hopefully she goes down smoothly, so we'll get to that. So we just got the first one done. Surprisingly, it looks fucking pretty good, pardon my language, but oh my god. First coat, not bad. Not bad at all. All right, so second one done, or first front fender. Looks fabulous. I don't know if I'm going too heavy for my first coat. Tried to adjust the gun the best I could, but oh man. I'm actually impressed of how good this looks, I'm not gonna lie. One thing I'm noticing though, is when I went through the primer on some parts to the fiberglass, you can see it. I don't know if going heavier on the coat will make that disappear, but first time for everything, I can always repaint them, but I'm enjoying it so far, honestly. Wow. Amazing, that's all I can say. I love it. All right, so I finished the last couple coats here. It's been about a half an hour. I just resprayed this one because I got a little chip from something falling from the roof there. I have no idea, but we're gonna get some clear coat on these. I'm gonna mix them up. Hopefully it goes well. Also never shot clear coat, so we'll see how that goes. So we're gonna mix it up here and get right to that. I know you guys probably can't hear me too well, but I'll move away from it for a sec. Hold on. Honestly, it looks pretty friggin' good. We got a couple more coats to do, but I'm pretty happy with it, I'm not gonna lie. So we'll see how the next ones go, and hopefully they turn out all right. All right, guys, I'm on the last coat of clear here. One more ahead of me, but it's looking pretty good. Like, I'm not gonna lie to you. I don't know what looks good and what doesn't, but for my first time, I'm happy with it. So there's a bit of trash in it, but I'll be able to buff that out. But yeah, I'm actually really excited on this stuff. Hopefully, I don't know how long you're supposed to let it cure, but the next couple days they'll be on the car, and hopefully the new wheels will be in, and we'll be able to do a little reveal for you guys. So stay tuned for that. I'll show you guys the finished product once I'm done the last coat here.
Whisper to me softly, I can see the edge and I hope that you're falling for me.